The iPhone 17 is here, but of course Apple didn't stop there. The iPhone 17 Pro has also arrived. Both phones are packed with upgrades, but which one is really worth your money? Today we're comparing the iPhone 17 versus the iPhone 17 Pro to help you decide which model fits your needs best. Apple's latest iPhones come with brighter promotion displays, powerful new A19 chips, improved durability, and massive camera upgrades. But while the iPhone 17 gives you a lot of value, the iPhone 17 Pro adds that extra layer of Apple luxury. Let's break down the key differences. The standard iPhone 17 features a 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR display with promotion up to 120 Hz, 3000 nits peak brightness, and thinner borders. It also introduces Ceramic Shield 2, which Apple says has 3 times better scratch resistance and reduced glare. The iPhone 17 Pro, on the other hand, takes it a step further with a ProMotion LTPO display that can drop to just 1 Hz for always-on efficiency, and a slightly sleeker contoured edge design. Both look fantastic, but the Pro version gives you a little more polish and power efficiency. The big news this year is cameras. The iPhone 17 introduces a triple 48MP fusion system across the rear, a main camera with built-in 2x telephoto, and a brand new 48MP ultra-wide with 4 times the detail for macro and landscape shots. And for the first time, the front camera gets Apple's center stage upgrade with a square sensor for 18MP selfies, automatic group framing, and ultra-stabilized 4K HDR video. The iPhone 17 Pro builds on that with Pro-exclusive features like an even larger sensor for better low-light performance, upgraded telephoto zoom options, and ProRes video recording at up to 4K 60. If you're a casual shooter, the iPhone 17 will blow you away. But if you're a content creator, the Pro's advanced video tools make it the winner. Under the hood, both phones run on the A19 chip built on 3nm technology. It delivers a CPU that's 1.5 times faster than the A15 Bionic and a GPU more than twice as fast, with built-in neural accelerators for on-device AI. Apple Intelligence is supported on both models, so you'll get live translations, smart photo edits, and instant on-screen actions no matter which one you choose. The Pro, however, gets slightly better thermal design and GPU performance, meaning if you're a heavy gamer or video editor, you'll see smoother results. Battery life is strong across the board, up to 30 hours of video playback on the iPhone 17 thanks to adaptive power mode. Both support fast charging with the new 40W USB-C adapter, hitting 50% in just 20 minutes. The Pro tends to last a little longer thanks to its more efficient display, but the difference isn't huge. Both phones include the new N1 wireless chip for Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and Thread. They're eSIM only in select countries, and both run iOS 26 with new AI-driven features, CarPlay updates, and Apple games. As for price, the iPhone 17 starts at 256 GB of storage, while the Pro starts higher and of course carries that Pro Premium. If you want the best cameras and display Apple has to offer, the Pro is your choice. But if you want a powerhouse that costs less, the iPhone 17 is a fantastic deal. So iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro? If you care about pro-level video, photography, and display efficiency, go for the Pro. But if you just want a gorgeous phone with a fantastic camera and blazing fast performance, the iPhone 17 is more than enough. Let me know which one you'd choose in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech coverage.